know she got it lit. Hot girl summer, so you know she got it lit. Yeah. No, she got it lit. Hot girl summer, so you know she.
Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel, and I am back with another video. So we are here today to talk about this hair. Okay, so this hair is from Wiggins Hair. Now this is my third time working with Wiggins, and like, Wiggins never disappoints. Never ever disappoints. The wig that I'm bringing to you today is special because this is a company constructed wig. So this wig was constructed when I received it, but along with it being company constructed, it is a 13x6 lace frontal wig. 6. And when you say 6, I feel like they might have gave you a 13x7 because my part is all the way back here. So if you guys and the lace, can we talk about the flawless? Can we talk about how flawless it is? Because like, it is though. So if you want to see how I melted this lace, and I'm super amped because this is like one of my best installations yet. But if you want to see how I install this hair, stay tuned for the rest of the video. And if you're interested in details on this wig, then stay tuned for the whole video. Timestamps will be down in the it was either FedEx or DHL. I'll have that somewhere in the description box if I remember. But inside of my package, I got this box. So you get this box which is branded. It says Human Hair, Wiggins Hair, you know, all their little logos and whatnot. So inside of the box, my wig came in this bag with a net. So this is a 13x6 loose wave lace frontal. 13x6. Do you see how deep this part is? Deep, okay? I also got a wig cap. You got some instructions on how to camp your wig, because some of y'all don't know how to camp your wigs. And you do get an elastic band, which I need to put in my wig because I just don't feel right wearing a frontal without an elastic band. And you get free stocking cap. So the bag is really cute. I like these bags because if you want to ditch the box, you can always store your wig. So that's the bag. So to get into the details on this wig, as I stated, this is a 13x6 loose wave texture. The inches is 24, but it's definitely a 26 because I know my inches, and this is long, like super long. Stops like at my hip area. So I would stand up, but y'all need to see what I got on, because when I installed this wig, let's just say the only thing that I really had to do was bleach the knots, because I didn't do any tweezing or plucking at all. Look at this hairline. It is so realistic. Like, and the lace blends. Like, that's all I can say. As far as the construction of the wig construction is really well constructed. There are 2 clips in the front, 1 clip in the back. There are adjustable straps inside of the wig, and it is super stretchy. Along with it being a 13x6 lace, you get so much extra lace. I noticed some wigs, like, they come with very little lace, or like the lace just be funny. So along with you getting a whole bunch of parting space, you get extra lace in the front. It comes with baby hairs. It comes pre-plucked. And the plucking, a lot of wigs that say pre-plucked, you still gotta go in and pluck. I didn't pluck at all. I didn't pull my tweezers out at all. Like. So as far as the curl pattern, I did notice that as the hair was drying, the waves rather get bigger. I really wasn't going for that look. I kind of wanted to do the sleek look because I wanted to show off this hairline and this face. So I used water and mousse because I wanted to dry just like this. I don't want it to get any poofier, and it's starting to dry, and the mousse is holding the curls in place, so I do like that. And there's so many things I like about this wig. Like, I can't think of any cons. This is my initial install, so I can't really tell you how it acts, but I plan on wearing her for the next week or so. Like, all the other wigs is getting pushed to the side. This is the winner. She wins. She wins, okay? And do you blame me? Like, and another thing I want to point out to you, and I really don't want to mess up my hair, but I have to show this to you. I have to show this to you. So you know how a lot of the lace front wigs, it'll start off real deep in the part, and then it'll come down, and when it comes to here, you have no lace. This lace goes all the way back, even on the side. So even on the side here, I have 6-inch parting space. So when I tell you I could get crazy styling her, like, the styles are endless. So as you can tell, I'm super amped about this wig. I'm definitely going to tell y'all to check this one out. This is a must-have. Not only because it's one of my favorite textures, loose wave next to deep loose wave, everything, but along with it being one of my favorite textures, the construction of this wig is A1. You don't need to put in any effort. If you are a beginner, this is for you. If you want to have a little full lace tease, and when I say full lace tease, it's because it's looking like a full lace, but it's not. This is definitely the way to go. Check the description box for all related links. I do have a review of their loose wave hair that I made into a wig on my channel. I will link that at the end of the video, and I will link that in the description box. Check out other reviews because I definitely seen Kyra Michelle Fine Self do a review for this wig, and she dyed it, so y'all gotta check out her video. Stay tuned for Snapchat and IG because you will be seeing some special appearances from this one right here. Like, look at her. So yes, I want to thank all you beauties for watching. Don't forget to thumbs this video up, okay? So until next time.